Here's the FPV monitor. To start it, you'll have one of these batteries included, a mini lithium-ion polymer. Just connect it and turn on the TV with the power button. You'll see it's on AV2 with no signal. Next, we're going to come over here, power on the drone. And you'll see over here that our video is running. This little monitor has channels here. They're already preset for you. The cords are strapped down in the back. So all you're going to have to do is plug this battery in. You can keep this monitor right next to you while flying so you can see what you're filming.